Hi guys, what we have here, as you know, Father's Day is around the corner and you might be looking for some tools to get for your father or for your friend or for your whoever you are thinking of this. So what I have here is just the iFix tools. We have the small one, which is the Mino, and we have the Essence, that is Essence electric screw. The difference between these two is very obvious. You can see it from the size. We have more tools inside, more screwdriver, more head, and this one has a better one for opening phones and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go with a small one first, which you can see here. It has about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 different kinds of sets. They comes in different kinds of sizes in case you need to use them. As you can see, I'm gonna bring the camera closer. Okay, okay, so we have different kinds of the set there, and the most important thing you need to know is about this screwdriver himself is magnetic. You put the tool inside, it goes in just like that and it holds it. And at the back here you have this one for removing SIM card. You can see the pointed there. If you want to remove your SIM from your phone, you can use this, and it has another functions also. You can store as much as 3 different tool head, the screwdriver head into it, and you can tuck it away. Those probably the ones you use regularly, you can tuck them away like that in case you need to use them whenever you need to use them. So the cover also is magnetic, as you can see. It just snap into place by holding it so it doesn't fall away. So which brings us to the bigger one also. It has almost the same set of tools, and this also functions the same way as that. They are basically the same screwdriver head, as you can see, the same size, the same everything, nothing different. So they are basically the same thing being inserted into the two of them. So if you go for either the two, it is very handy to use. And one thing, if you're interested in knowing, is if you want to bring out these tools that are here, just push it down on one side and you can be able to take it. They've made a hole inside here. A lot of people don't know that there are holes inside here that enables you to push it down, and the screwdriver or whatever you need to do take out can come out easily. So that is how all of them have been done. So this is if you're trying to go get into a phone or flat surface or something like that, you can use that. And we have also this for picking up stuff from inside your material or your tools or something you're trying to get to open. So this also the insertion cup for pulling off stuff from smartphone and stuff like that. I don't have any smartphone with me because I just don't want to distract you with every other stuff. And the slides are also, we have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 actually that comes. Oh, I was wrong. Yeah. We have 6 that comes with it, and you have 6 here, so you can use this. These are just tools for opening your phone, your DIY job if you're interested in doing DIYs. So you have 6 of them that comes with it. You have set of different screwdriver heads that will open your phone or your laptop, and you have the plastic one to use with it so that you don't break anything inside or you need to pull something out. We have everything there. We have something like the knife also for opening the phone or the side, so you slide it in from the side to bring stuff out just like that. As you can see, I'm using it on this phone like that. So if you have a question about this small one, if it does the same functions that the foam does, you push it down, you are able to bring it out and you push it back inside, so as the screwdrivers are being set in there. So guys, these are very nice products. If you're trying to get one, you can use our links are linked there below, where you can get them on Amazon, on iFix website. You subscribe if you've not subscribed. If you're watching DIY stuff here, I'll be bringing to you more stuff as time goes on, and we'll be having more stuff there. So links to the purchase product, if you want to get some of them, use our link. We get some commission that comes towards us, who doesn't affect your purchase, or it doesn't cut into your purchase. So guys, if you've not subscribed, please subscribe so that we can have more video coming your way. Thank you, and I hope to see you in the next video. Odabo. Bye.